Hi guys, Henrik Scholde here with Mechanix Menace. I am standing here by my hydraulic press, and today I am for the first time going to try shaping some sheet metal with these 3D printed press dies. Okay, so now I have rigged everything up in the press. Looks good so far. I will start with a piece of thin aluminum. I think it's 1 millimeter roughly, something like that, and then start pressing. Okay, the aluminum wasn't strong enough, so I actually, it cracked. Okay, the next test piece is this 0.7 millimeter thick piece of low carbon steel sheet metal. Now I am up to 1 ton here. Wow! Okay, now we come to the really tough test here. This is high strength Docol 800 steel, 0.9 millimeter. 5 tons! Okay, you can see that, I can see that the press dies have been rounded off, and this kind of doesn't have the same definition anymore. So this is the female die. It got rounded off a bit. I think it might be hard to see, but it had sharper corners before. And this is the male die. The top was sharper. Now it's kind of been rounded off, but it's still held. Here's the first press result with the aluminum, which actually cut open. The second one, low carbon steel, looks pretty good too. Maybe a little less sharp corners. And then this final one, high strength steel, where you can see everything is more rounded, but it still managed to press a fairly big dent in it, so I am happy.